Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be a Ryzen 5 2400G build for 30,000 rupees. Recently I have made a video using 2400G that was for approx 50,000 rupees RGB premium components, and this one would be a similar build but would be for 30,000 rupees. So if in case you want to check that video, you can go ahead and check out the link in the description box below. I have shared the link for that 50k build using some premium components. So let me just go ahead and begin with the component detail and their pricing before we go ahead and start the build. All the product price mentioned in this video would be today's price. If in case you want to check the latest price, go ahead and check the link in the description box below. So let's begin with the component details. For the cabinet, we have got Corsair Spec 01. This is available for 2,999 rupees. For the processor, we have got Ryzen 5 2400G. It has got 4 core, 8 thread and it comes with Vega 11. The price is 11,700 rupees. For the motherboard, we have got MSI B450M Pro VDH Plus. This is available for 6,150. It has got 4 RAM slot and a wonderful motherboard to start Ryzen build. And for the RAM, we will be using Corsair Vengeance DDR4 3000 MHz 8GB stick, available for 2,900 rupees. For SSD, we have got WD 120GB green, available for 1,500 rupees. For more storage, we have got WD 1TB blue, available for 2,850 rupees. For power supply, we have got Cooler Master MWE 450 watt. This is white certified and available for 2,450 rupees. And about the genuine windows, we have got super cheap Windows 10 Professional available on our website techmartunbox.com just for 999 rupees. This key is valid for lifetime for one PC and available for just 999 rupees. I always recommend to buy a genuine Windows for your PC as it really increases the PC performance. Also, you get security patches on genuine Windows, so highly recommended for 999 rupees lifetime key.
I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you. I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me.
The stock cooler comes with pre-applied thermal paste. You don't have to add it additionally.
I was walking down the street, and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet. And I knew with you your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you.
Alright, so we're done with the PC build. Cinebench and Geekbench test was there on your screen. So that's about the video. If in case you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. I would love to answer them. If in case you wish to check the latest price, go ahead and check the link in the description box below. I've shared all the product link in the description box. That's about the video. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Also follow us on Instagram for latest update about our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.